So now we're going to launch the page, and I'm using Internet Explorer, so I'm going to not be asked this time. Since I have previously launched the 3D via web player plugin for my browser, I don't get the ActiveX alert that comes up here across the top of the window. But if you do, go ahead and authorize that ActiveX application use, because that's fine. It'd be safe. And now I'm waiting for my game player to load, and as soon as it does, I'm going to get a brief splash screen that tells me KSB1 is loading. So I can see here in the progress bar that it's almost done, and my gears are turning, telling me that the progress is moving along. There we go. Ball shooter force KSB1 loading, please wait. And here I am. So I can use my arrow keys to pan left and right, and up arrow to orbit up, and down arrow to move down. I use page down to zoom out. So now I'm zooming out and orbiting up, and page up to zoom in. And here is my setup for KSB number 1. So I'm being asked to do the calculation of the force required so that when the ball shooter rod is pulled back, then it's going to shoot the ball up the shooter path and come down and strike this target. If it doesn't go far enough, it returns, and I can retry. If I shoot too hard and hits this left rail, then I can retry. My highest score that I can get is 4,000 if I get it on my first attempt. So I'm going to show you how that works. I'm being asked to enter the calculated force value. I'm going to put in a value that I know is not correct, so I'm going to put in 90.9. And now it's telling me then hit the F key. And when I do, it's going to pull back and shoot the ball up the pathway, and it's going to deflect off of the rails and then hit this. It's going to be too strong, so that's going to end the attempt. So I'll hit the F key. And I get my tilt audio telling me that my attempt was not successful. So now I can recalculate and attempt again, and I have up to 5 attempts to complete this KSB.